Namaste. In this video, I am going to teach you how to find center of mass in SolidWorks. So here I just made a simple geometry. Now to find center of mass, simply click here and click on center of mass. And here you see you get the center of mass. Now, for example, somebody say, hey, I want to know what is the distance between center of mass and at this line. So to measure that, simply what you can do is click on evaluate, click on measure, make sure that you select the center of mass and select the line or edge as per your requirement. And here you see you will get the dimensions. You can also get other properties. For example, select this and click on center of mass and mass properties, and you will get all the details. For example, what are the coordinates of your center of mass, and here you will see the x, y and z distance respectively, and here you can see the x, y and z axis, and here ix is basically represent moment of inertia along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. So I hope this video is useful for you. If you have any doubts and queries, make sure that you ask in comments. And don't forget to watch other cool videos that are available in my channel. It will help to gain your knowledge. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.